Hey everyone, so I wanted to do a quick update and reminder of the things that we have coming up and going on here. I apologize I haven't had any videos out since this past Sunday. There's just been so many things going on here at home, I just haven't had a chance to get to uploading some more videos. And I do have some projects that I'm working on. The mallet for the giveaway, the toolbox for the giveaway, and part of this video is also a reminder to everyone that I have a giveaway going on, and it ends tomorrow, so try to get on that today. It's very simple and easy to do. I'll put a link down in the description below to a video that explains it all, so hop over there, check that out. This weekend I'm going to be working on finishing up the mallet and toolbox for that giveaway, work on cleaning up and sharpening those tools that are going to go into that toolbox, and getting it ready to be shipped to the winner, which we should have an answer on tomorrow. So I will be doing a live video tomorrow night at 7 p.m. as our regular Saturday Night Live at 7 p.m. So hopefully I can see everybody there, or most of you there if that's possible. And if that time doesn't work for you, like I mentioned in the past, just mention some other days and times that do work, and I'll see if I can do a second one for the week. That is pretty much about it. On Sunday I'll have the new subscriber shout out video going on there, and tomorrow during the day I'll put out a quick video like this just to remind everyone of the live event tomorrow night. If you have any questions, throw them down in the comments below. I'll respond as soon as possible, and I look forward to talking to you very soon. Take care. Thanks.